everyone, today we are going to introduce our project that is linear regression calculator for data analysis using C++. Here are the group members of this project. Okay, allow me to give a brief introduction to our product. Our product is a C++ program that analyzes real data from text file and show result of statistical data summarized and linear regression information such as linear regression equation, mean squared error and R-squared value from the given data. The idea was originated from least square method and other least square calculator program. But our version of linear regression calculator is different compared to the others. First, our program is user-friendly. Users can input large number of data to the program in the input text file. Secondly, our program not only displays the output on the console panel. The program helps to save the output file for the user for the preserve in database or as a backup file. Third, unlike the other programs, our program can be used anywhere, computer or even on mobile phone. For example, we can use Dev C++ on computer or C++ Direct app on mobile phone to run the program.
Next, the purpose of this project is to embed the statistical analysis into the computer programming language, that is by using the C++ program. There are various significance of the project. First, it is production cost-free and environment-friendly. This is because no material is required for the production, therefore it is zero cost. Plus, using the program will not harm the environment. Next, our product also has commercial potentialities. Our program contributes to the data analytics and it is potentially able to be implemented in industrial sectors. It also can be further upgraded to analyze for more types of regression models as new product allowing data analysts, statisticians to analyze the data at a glance. It also can be further developed into a software or a website. At last, most importantly, it is able to solve problems. Our program will solve for the statistical data summaries and linear regression equations, sum square error, mean square error, and R-square values, allowing data analysts to analyze the data easily. User can also use our program to obtain the equation to analyze the trend of the given set of data and can analyze the suitability of linear model to fit the set of data easily.
So, how does our program work? At first, we need to prepare a data text file together with the program in the same folder. Once the program starts to run, it reads the variables needed by the program. After that, the program opens the data text file that was prepared by the user. It will then first count the number of lines in the data file. The technique we use is using functions in C++. After it detects the number of lines, it will then enter a loop that reads the value of x and y variables in the data file. At the same time, the loop also helps us to calculate the sum and other accumulative values. After that, the program calculates the values for the necessary statistical information. Then, it will display all the summaries of the information and writing all of them into the output file. At last, it will close all the files and terminates the program.
Now, I'm going to show you how to use the product. First, we prepare a data text file named data.txt. Note that this file should be put in the same folder with the program file. Inside the file, it is written like this. For example, it is given a data set x and y variable. The first column is x variable and the second column is y variable. You should note that the first row is needed to emphasize which column is x and which column is y. Next, we need to open DVC++ in computer or CXX Droid app in mobile phone. Then, we open the program file by browsing it in the location where it was saved. Next, click the Run button. It will then show the output. Inside the output, it summarizes the statistical descriptive information such as mean, sample variance, sample standard deviation of x and y variable respectively. It also tells us about the least square equation and value of SSE, MSE, and R-square. SSE is the square distance between the actual data and the predicted data by the equation. MSE is the average square distance between the actual data and the predicted data. And also R-square measures how well the linear regression model fits the dataset. Based on category of R-square intervals, the program analyzes the strength of linear relationship for the user. In this case, the linear relationship between x and y is moderate. Not only that, the program also creates an output file for you. You can save it as a backup file or a file for your own database. Here are some other examples, which leads to different output. Since the dataset was different in each example, therefore, it will also lead to different conclusions in the analysis suggested by the program. That is the end of our presentation. Thanks for watching.